In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert all the mathematical symbols in Microsoft Word. If you regularly work with equations, formulas, or technical documents, knowing how to access mathematical symbols quickly can make your work much easier and more professional. Microsoft Word includes built-in tools that allow you to insert everything from basic arithmetic signs to advanced calculus and algebra symbols without needing any external software. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want the mathematical symbol to appear. Then, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. On the right-hand side, click on Symbol and then choose More Symbols. A dialog box will open displaying a wide variety of characters. At the top of this window, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Subset. Click on it and select Mathematical Operators to view common symbols such as plus minus, greater than or equal to, infinity, summation, and many others. You can also explore additional subsets like Greek and Coptic if you need symbols such as alpha, beta, or theta, which are frequently used in mathematics and science. Simply click on any symbol you need, then press Insert. The symbol will appear in your document exactly where your cursor was placed. When finished, click Close to return to your document. By using the Symbol menu and the Equation tool together, you gain access to virtually all the mathematical symbols you need directly inside Microsoft Word. This ensures your documents look clear, accurate, and professionally formatted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.